this is the light I made. Call it the Pathfinder. It has a off-road LED. This is for automotive use. I made a flashlight with it. This is a S12 drill battery, and I'm going to test it today. This costed me about 10,000 GYD, thereabout, including print material and the light and the battery. So it says there a 5-inch square LED. Price 5,500. It's off-road LED light. And this is the drill battery. I paid $2,500 for this one. Let's go test it. So here we go. It's now twilight. We're gonna run our first test at twilight. Here we go. First impressions, it's not as bright as I expected. However, it's comparable to a vehicle headlight. And for the weight and price, I don't think this is too bad. Based on my calculations, run time is about 35 to 45 minutes. I don't think that's bad for a floodlight slash flashlight that I made, first one. This was made solely for camping out, and most of the flashlights I use, they have a really narrow beam. They don't really light up the area. But for this one, it's more like a floodlight, and it's portable, battery powered. So I'm pretty happy. More outdoor builds coming soon. If you like content like this, just hit the subscribe button and you'll be updated as soon as I make new videos.